Guys, ang kagandahan ng ating Galaxy Fold 7 is the thinnest, the lightest, which is kasing nipis na siya ng ating 580 cards and kasing gaan na siya ng small cup of coffee. And now, the 200 megapixel is now available for Galaxy Fold 7, which is dating available lang siya for Galaxy S25 Ultra. So, you can see malinaw ang kanyang photos even for day or night. So, yan. And also, ang kagandahan na siya is powered by AI, which is pwede mo na magamit yung kanyang AI button for less hassle-free and of course, mas maganda yung ating Ayan.
Yeah.
So, yan.
Ganda. Okay.
Ayan. At si video naman natin.
Yung isa naman natin.
Ayan.
Ito si C Fold, di ba?
C Fold 7.
Si Flip naman.
Ayan. Guys, this is our Flip 7, the latest and the thinness as well. Then using Galaxy Flip 7 natin is now available natin yung ating Infinity Flex window. As you can see, maximize the screen comes with 50 megapixels sa mismong camera natin, main camera natin. So as you can see, napakalinaw na siya sa natin. Ayan. And also, napakanipis ng ating Flip 7 and available na rin yung ating AI button po. I want to invite you sa aming store, which is sa SM City Sansa. And kagandahan yon, available naman tayo sa ating pre-order. Pwede po kayo mag-visit anytime and you can also message us sa mismong account po na Facebook page po namin, Samsung Tansa. So once again, thank you for choosing Samsung and have a great Samsung day.